Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, the wait is over. Google Pixel 10 official launch is very soon than expected. New Superfans event hints an early launch. According to the latest available data, the new Google's Pixel 10 series could launch much earlier than its predecessor, suggests Pixel Superfans invite. Before this, most of the Pixel launches were conducted in October, but this time around it's possible that the launch might. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Rumors were already swirling about an earlier than expected debut for the Pixel 10 series. Now, an exclusive invite to a Pixel Superfans event in London has dropped major hints that the next generation smartphones could arrive sooner than the Pixel 9's August 2024 launch. With Android 16 also on a fast track, here's what's got everyone talking. According to Android Authority, Google has invited Pixel Superfans to a 90-minute Pixel Penthouse event on June 27, 2025, in London, where 25 lucky attendees will get hands-on time with pre-release Pixel devices and features. While the invite doesn't explicitly name the Pixel 10 series, it's a safe bet that these are the stars of the show, given the lack of other major Pixel hardware on the horizon. The event, dubbed Google's exclusive pre-launch event for 2025, suggests the Pixel 10 lineup, likely including the Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, and 10 Pro Fold, could launch as soon as late June or early July, a significant shift from the Pixel 9's August timeline. Android 16's accelerated schedule also fuels the speculation. Google has confirmed a stable release in Q2 2025, before June ends, much earlier than Android 15's rollout. This aligns perfectly with a potential July launch for the Pixel 10 series, which is expected to showcase the new OS alongside a TSMC-built Tensor G5 chip, on a 3nm process for better performance and efficiency. The Superfans event also promises Q&A sessions with Googlers, and Pixel-themed goodies, adding to the hype. Google's been shaking up its launch cadence lately. Last year's Pixel 9 dropped in August, not October, and the Pixel 9a arrived in March 2025. An early Pixel 10 debut could help Google steal the spotlight before Apple's iPhone 17 in September, or Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 in July. While it's possible the June 27th event is just a teaser, with a full launch still in August, the early preview suggests Google is ready to move fast. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.